Hey guys, this is JE and welcome back to Vlogcetera. And for this video, we are back in Bali. And actually, kaka-check-in lang namin dito sa pag-stayan namin. Ayan yung itsura niya sa labas. But I would of course do a separate vlog about this place. But for this video, this is our first day na Haggard. Kasi kakarating lang namin. And nandito kami sa Nusa Penida.
There's also money chambers on it. It will be like a bit lesser rate compared than main art. So how many support? Satu. Hot tea ya? Oke, hot tea satu, hot coffee 3. Nah terus ini
Hey guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Nusa Penida. At actually, nandito ako ngayon sa CR. At dito ko talaga nakuhang mag-vlog. So, today, kararating lang namin dito sa Nusa Penida. Diretso kami dito from the airport. So, pick up lang kami and then diretso lang kami dito sa Nusa Penida. And we are just going to rest for today. Yes, wala pa kaming activity and we just freshened up and then mag-rest lang kami. And then maybe this afternoon we'll go out. And we're planning to also dip into the pool kung time would allow. But this is just really a relaxed day. Wala kaming gagawing activity. So quick kwento lang, yung flight namin talaga today is 3:45 AM. Pero nagpunta kami ng airport at 7 PM. That is because we are expecting na mas madami yung tao na mag-aalisan on Wednesday. But surprisingly, konti lang naman yung tao when we arrive in the airport. But overall, good na din. At least nandun kami na maaga. So we just stayed in lounge. Tapos doon kami nagpalipas ng oras. And then at 3 AM, we went to the gate kasi ayun yung oras na magbo-board na kami dun sa plane namin. So the flight in total is from 3:45 past 7 na kami nakarating ng Bali. And from there, pinick up na kami nung kinontak naming tour, which I would be putting yung mga information nila here just in case you would also like to contact them for your tours here in Bali. Hey guys, we're back in our hotel now, and that is after our quick dinner dito lang din sa malapit from this resort. So technically that's just the day na meron kami for now. Yung start ng aming official tours would be tomorrow, starting 9 a.m. and the pickup is from here then. So yun na yun, kasi technically talaga day na to is just to really relax and chill and mag-ipon ng energy for the tours that we're going to have starting tomorrow. And that's it. I think this is where I'm going to end this vlog. If you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click the notification bell so that you will get updated with more of my videos only here in Vlogcetera. Until the next one, bye!